Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can add music to Facebook stories. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step is you need to do is to open Facebook and click on create story, and then you need to click on music, and here you can find different music that you can add. So let me select this music, and you can add different music according to your choice. So let me select, so if you want this you can select this music, and you can select the background of the story according to your choice, and then you need to click on share, and then the music is added into your story. So I mute a music due to copyright. So this is a process by which you can add music to Facebook stories. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.